Hello everyone, welcome to our discussion on maximizing Etsy profits with AI, a comprehensive guide. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting realm of artificial intelligence and discover how it can be used to amplify your Etsy sales. AI is no longer a buzzword. It's an innovative tool that's reshaping the way we do business. By harnessing the power of AI, Etsy sellers can optimize their online stores, engage customers more effectively, and ultimately, boost their profits. Over the course of this video, we'll be discussing a variety of strategies and tools that leverage AI to give you an edge in the competitive world of Etsy. We'll cover everything from understanding Etsy algorithms to optimizing your product descriptions and images using AI, and even how to use AI for pricing and customer interactions. So buckle up as we delve into the world of AI and explore how it can significantly enhance your Etsy sales. To kick things off, we need to understand how Etsy's search algorithm works. Think of it as a complex puzzle. This puzzle is designed to match shoppers with the products they're looking for, and the pieces that complete it are the keywords and tags you use in your product listings. These keywords and tags are critical. They tell the algorithm what your product is, who it's for, and when it might be relevant. The more accurately and effectively you use these keywords, the better your chances of appearing in a potential customer's search results. But how do you ensure your use of keywords and tags is spot on? This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, steps in. AI tools, such as keyword analyzers, can help you optimize your listings. They analyze your product, identify potential keywords, and even suggest the most effective tags. This isn't just a shot in the dark. These tools use data from millions of successful listings to inform their suggestions. So, if you're wondering why your beautifully crafted items aren't selling as well as they should, perhaps it's time to take a look at your keywords and tags. Are they accurate? Are they effective? Are they optimized? If not, AI tools might be the solution you're looking for. With the right AI tools, you can make the Etsy algorithm work in your favor. Next up is the power of compelling product descriptions. In the vast marketplace that is Etsy, having an engaging and distinctive product description can be the difference between a potential customer clicking purchase or moving on to the next item. And here's where AI comes to the rescue. AI tools, with their advanced algorithms and natural language processing capabilities, can generate creative, engaging, and highly persuasive product descriptions. These tools can craft descriptions that not only highlight the unique features of your product, but also resonate with your target audience's desires and needs. Let's consider an example. A handmade leather wallet, described simply as handmade brown leather wallet, becomes handcrafted rustic chestnut leather wallet with timeless elegance with the help of AI. Notice the difference? The latter description is not only more detailed, but also evokes an emotional response, increasing the likelihood of a purchase. Another example, blue cotton scarf turns into soft azure cotton scarf with a cozy homely feel. Here, the AI-generated description paints a vivid picture that can help a potential buyer imagine owning and using the product. AI tools can even suggest keywords to include in your descriptions, making them more likely to appear in search results. As you can see, AI can help you create product descriptions that truly stand out. Now, let's talk about the significance of high-quality images. Images are a vital part of an Etsy listing. They're the first thing your potential customers see, and they can make or break a sale. High-quality, professional-looking images not only attract more views, but also foster trust in your brand. But what if you're not a professional photographer? What if you don't have a high-end camera or a studio setup? Well, that's where AI comes in handy. There are AI tools out there designed specifically to enhance your product images. These tools can automatically adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and other parameters to make your images look their best. They can correct colors, sharpen details, and even remove noise. They can also upscale low-resolution images, making them look crisp and clear even on large screens. But that's not all. Some of these AI tools also offer background removal services. If you've ever tried to manually remove a background from a photo, you know how time-consuming it can be. These AI tools can do it in seconds, saving you a lot of time and effort. And the best part is, you don't need any technical skills to use these tools. They're user-friendly and intuitive. You simply upload your image, select the adjustments you want to make, and let the AI do its magic. Once your images are enhanced, you'll notice a significant difference. They'll look more professional and appealing, which can attract more customers. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. On Etsy, it can also be worth 1,000 sales. And there's more. High-quality images can also improve your Etsy search ranking. Etsy's search algorithm favors listings with high-quality images. So by enhancing your images, you're also boosting your visibility on the platform. So, whether you're selling handmade jewelry, vintage clothing, or unique crafts, high-quality images are key. And with AI, you don't need a professional photographer or a fancy camera to achieve them. So, with AI, you can ensure your product images are always top-notch. Moving forward, we have to discuss the role of competitive pricing. Now, setting the right price for your product is like hitting a moving target. You need to consider several factors such as your cost, demand for your product, and of course your competition. But how can you keep track of all these variables and continuously adjust your prices? Well, that's where AI comes into play. AI pricing tools can analyze market trends, monitor your competitors, and recommend optimal pricing strategies. These tools use advanced algorithms to predict market fluctuations and provide real-time pricing suggestions. They can even factor in seasonal trends and peak shopping periods. For instance, if there's an increased demand for your product, the AI tool might suggest a slight price increase to maximize your profits. On the other hand, if your competitors lower their prices, the tool can recommend a price adjustment to keep you competitive. But that's not all. Dynamic pricing based on AI insights can significantly increase your sales. By continuously adjusting your prices based on market conditions, you can attract more customers and boost your profits. Remember, the goal here isn't to have the lowest price, but the most competitive one. So, imagine having a virtual assistant that keeps an eye on the market 24/7, ensuring you're always offering the best price. That's the power of AI in pricing optimization. Hence, with AI, you can always stay competitive with your pricing. Customer engagement is a key aspect of any successful Etsy shop. It's all about creating a personal connection with your audience. And what if I told you that artificial intelligence can help you achieve this on a much larger scale? Yes, you heard right. Consider this. A customer lands on your Etsy shop and they have questions. They want to know more about your product or need help with something. Now, you can't be online all the time, right? That's where AI chatbots come in. These virtual assistants can handle customer inquiries round the clock, providing instant responses and keeping your customers engaged. But it's not just about answering queries. AI chatbots can do so much more. They can send personalized messages to your customers based on their browsing behavior, past purchases, and preferences. For instance, if a customer has been eyeing a particular product for a while, the chatbot can send a gentle reminder or even offer a special discount. This kind of personalization can significantly improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. Imagine the possibilities. You can automate a large part of your customer interactions without losing that personal touch. The beauty of AI is that it learns and evolves over time. So your chatbot will only get better at understanding and engaging with your customers. Clearly, AI can significantly enhance your customer interactions. Lastly, we cannot overlook the power of social media for Etsy sellers. Social media platforms are not just about connecting with friends and family anymore. They've become vital marketplaces, where millions of potential customers are scrolling every minute, waiting to discover your Etsy shop. But managing multiple social media platforms can be time-consuming, and let's face it, a bit overwhelming. This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in. AI tools are designed to streamline your social media activities, from scheduling posts to creating engaging content. For example, AI schedulers can analyze peak activity times across different platforms and automatically post your content when it's most likely to be seen. This means your posts are reaching the maximum number of potential customers without you having to lift a finger. AI can also help with content creation. It can generate captions that align with your brand's voice, suggest hashtags for maximum reach, and even create visually appealing posts from your product images. Imagine being able to curate a month's worth of social media posts in just a few hours. You save time, reduce stress, and focus on what you love doing most, creating unique products for your Etsy shop. And here's a quick tip. AI tools can also analyze your competitors' social media strategies, giving you valuable insights to stay ahead in the game. So with AI, you can elevate your social media game. And that wraps up our guide to maximizing Etsy profits with AI. We've dived deep into the Etsy algorithm, AI-generated product descriptions, image enhancement, pricing optimization, personalized customer interactions, and social media promotion. Each of these areas holds immense potential for growth and profit. So why wait? Start implementing these AI strategies on your Etsy shop today. Don't forget to leave your comments and questions below. We're excited to hear about your AI journey on Etsy.